Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2 Banking of Class 10 Mathematics, exercise 2, question number 1 to 11 of M.L.aggarwal Maths book. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let us solve here chapter 2 Banking exercise 2. Here we have to find if we can see that if a man deposits some amount of money in a recurring deposit, we are going to study recurring deposit here. Hence, if he deposits amount of money for 1 year, clearly in this recurring deposit, the amount deposited in the first month will remain with the bank for 12 months, and that amount of money which he deposit for in 1 month will earn interest for 12 months. The amount deposited in the second month will earn interest for 11 months and so on. Hence, we can find the equivalent principal value. From that, we can take the principal, which value we can take as principal. Hence, that value we have to take here. So, this will be p into n plus 1 divided by 2. And if you want to find interest for the 12 months with that rate of interest, the formula will be p into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 by 12 into r by 100. And if matured value we have to find, this will be principal into n plus I. So these are the formulas which we are going to use frequently here in this exercise. Now let us solve here question number 1 of this exercise 2. Here it is said Mrs. Goswami deposits rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Then we have to find the matured value. We know the formula for matured value here. This is P into N, number of months here plus interest. So if we write here, the month will be 3 years. So if we write month as N is equal to 3 into 12. 36 months we can write. We can put the value here. Principal value is 1000 and here we have n as 36 month plus interest. We have to find the interest here to find the matured value. So interest formula also we know here. This previously we have studied p into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into rate of interest divided by 100. So principal value is 1000 and here the value of n is 36 plus 137 divided by 2 into 12 into rate is 8% per annum divided by 100. 0 will be cancelled out. Here we will get 18. This will be 6. This will be 9. This will be 2. This will be 3 here and this will be 4. So from that we can write 10 into 3 into 37 into 4 here. So on solving this part, so this will be 4440 here. So here this is the value of interest. We have to find now matured value. Matured value, from there we will put the value. This will be 36,000 plus 4,440. On adding this here we will get 0 44, this will be 10. So 40 for 440 rupees is the matured value. So this is the answer here in this question, and this is the solution of question number 1. Now let us solve your question number 2. Sonia had a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest was 10% per annum, we have to find the maturity value of this account. If we write here the interest, if we have to find, we know the formula. This is P into n plus 1 into rate divided by 100 and here 2 into 12. So we know principal value is 600, rate of interest is 10% per annum, and the value of n will be 30 months on writing 2.5 years. So this will be on writing here, this is 600 into 30 into 31 into 10 divided by 100 divided by 2 into 12. So 0 will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out by 3 and here we will get 6 and 15. This will be 2 and 5. On cancelling, this will be 5. So here we will get 93 into 25. So 2,325 rupees is the interest here. If we write the matured value, this is principal into number of months plus interest. Principal into number of months will be 600 into number of months is 30 plus interest will be 2,325. So will be 18,000 plus 2325. On writing this will be through 325, and 18 plus 2 will be 20. Rupees 20,325 is the final matured value which Sonia will get here. So this is the solution of question number 2, and this is the answer here, matured value. Let us solve your question number 3. Kiran deposited 200 per month for 36 months in a bank recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, we have to find the amount she gets on maturity. So here also we have to find the matured value. So firstly we'll find the interest. This is principal into n plus 1 into r divided by 100 into 2 into 12. So rate of interest is 11% here, and principal amount is rupees 200 per month, n is equal to 36. So we'll put all the values, 200 into 36 into 37 into 11 divided by 100 divided by 2 into 12. This will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out. Here we will get by 3. So 37 into 33 here. So here we will get 1,221 on rupees on calculating. So this is the interest. Matured value we will find as P into N plus I. So here 200 into 36 plus interest as 1221. So here we will get, so on calculating here, this will be 7,200 plus interest value 1,221 equal to rupees 8,421. So 8,421 is the final matured value which Kiran will get after 36 months. So this is the solution of question number 3, and this is the answer here. Now let us solve your question number 4. Here it is given that Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposits rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets rupees 5880 as interest at the time of maturity, we have to find the rate of interest. So firstly, this interest is given to us. From that, we can find the rate of interest. We know the formula of interest. This is principal value n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into rate by 100. A rate percent we have to find here. So we'll output the value here. Interest is 5880 on the matured value, and this is principal value is 600. Months here 4 years. So here if we write n, this will be 4 into 12. So 48 months we can write. We will write here 48 into 49 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. So this 0 will be cancelled out from here. This will be cancelled out by 24, and this will be 2 here. So 5, 8, 80 into, we can write divide here, 12 into 49 equal to r. So on solving this part here, we will get, here this will be cancelled out by 6. This will be 2, 2, 9, 40. Again 3 here, 1, 4 and 70. This will be cancelled out by 4, then 27, 490, and this will be 10. Means rate percent is 10% per annum in this question. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution. This is only asked, we have to find the rate of interest, hence rate of interest is 10%. Now let us solve your question number 5. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. If he received rupees 7725 at the time of maturity, we have to find the rate of interest per annum. So firstly we will find the value of interest, and then by the formula for interest we will find the rate of interest per annum. So here we know matured value formula as principal value into number of months plus interest. So if we want to find the interest, this will be matured value minus principal value into number of months. Matured value we have as 7,725 minus principal value is 300, and number of months will be 24. So this will be 7,725 minus 7,200 equal to rupees 525, and from that only by the formula for interest we can find the value of rate of interest. So this will be P into n plus 1 into rate of interest divided by 100 divided by 2 into 12. We know rate of interest is 525, principal value here is 300 into 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. From that we can find this will be cancel out here, 0 will be cancel out, and here we can write 525 divided by 3 into 25 as the rate of interest. So this will be cancel out here, this will be cancel out by 5. Here this will be 105 and again 21. This will be 7. Means 7% per annum on solving we get the rate of interest. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of question number 5. Now let us solve your question number 6 here. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. Then we have to find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. So here in the first part, interest value we can find from the formula for matured value, which is P into n number of months plus interest. So interest will be matured value minus principal into n. Matured value is given to us as 67,500 and principal value is 2,500 into number of months. This will be 2 into 12. 2 years it is, so this will be 24 here. So multiplied by 24. So on solving here, this will be 67,500 minus 60,000. So the answer will be 7,500 is the value of interest in this question. So this is the interest earned by Mr. Gupta. This is the answer of the first part of question number 6. Now, the second part is asked there, the rate of interest per annum. So from the formula for interest, we can find the rate of interest, which is n plus 1 into r divided by 100 divided by 2 into 12. So we know a rate of interest here is rate of interest we can write, we have to find. From that interest is 7,500 as in the first part we have calculated. Principal value is 2,500 and n will be here for 2 years. This will be 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into rate by 100. 0 will be cancel out, 24 will be cancel out. Here we will get 7,500 in divided by 25. Sorry, this is not multiply here, this is divided by 25 into 25. So here we will cancel out by 5, 25, 1500, again 300, then here also 5, 60, again 5, 12. So 12% per annum is the rate of interest. Means this is the answer of the second part here, and this is the solution of question number 6, first and second part. This is the answer of first and this is the answer of second part. Let us solve your question number 7. Saruk opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. If he received rupees 15,084 at the time of maturity, then we have to find the rate of interest per annum. So here we can see principal value is given to us as rupees 800 and number of years is 1.5 years. So this will be 3 by 2 into 12. In months we have to write. So this will be 18 months here, and maturity value at the time of maturity he received rupees 15,084. So from that we can find firstly interest, and from interest value we will find the rate of interest per annum. So we know we can find interest as matured value is equal to p into n plus I. So interest will be matured value minus p into n. Matured value is 15,084 minus principal is 800 into n is 18 months here. So here this will be 15,084 minus 14,400. So here we will get 84 and 150 minus 144 will be 7. So here this will be 6 and here 14 minus 14 will be 0. So rupees 684 is the value of interest here. And from this value of interest, we will find the rate of interest, which is principal into n plus 1 into r divided by 100 divided by 2 into 12. So we can write the value of interest here. Interest is given to us as 684. We have calculated principal value is again 800 into 18 into 19 divided by 2 into 12 into our rate of interest divided by 100. This will be cancelled out. This will be cancelled out by 9. Here this will be 4 and 3. On solving, this will be 2. Cancel out by 2. So 684 we can write divided by 3 into 2 into 19 is equal to rate of interest here. So if we write 684 divided by 6 into 19. So on solving here, this is rate of interest. So 684 divided by 114 is equal to 6% as the rate of interest per annum. So this is the final answer here in this question, and this is the solution of question number 7. Let us solve here question number 8. Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. The rate of interest is 9%. So here firstly we will write 20 months here, the value of n. Rate of interest we will write as 9% per annum, and Rekha receives rupees 441 as interest, means the value of interest is rupees 441 at the time of maturity. Then find the amount Rekha deposited each month. So from the formula for interest, we will find the principal value here. We have to find, means the amount which she deposits each month. So this is the only the principal value here. 2 into 12 into r by 100. So if we put all the values, this is 441. Principal value we have to find here. N is here 20. So this will be n plus 121. 2 into 12 into rate is 9% divided by 100. So we can just cancel out by 10. This will be 6. This will be 5. This will be 2. This will be 3. And here we will get on calculating. This will be P into 15 into 21 divided by 200 equal to 441. So principal value will be 441 into 200 divided by 15 into 21. So on solving here, this will be cancel out by 21 only, and here 21 into 200 divided by 15. This will be again cancel out by 5 and 7. This will be 40 here, 40. And here on calculating, this is 280 rupees is the amount which Rekha deposited each month is equal to the principal value, which is rupees 280 as the answer here in this question. So this is the solution of question number 8, and this is the answer here. Now let us solve your question number 9. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets rupees 1200 as interest at the time of maturity, then we have to find the monthly installment and the amount of maturity. So we know the given information is time is given as 2 years, means 24 months here. And if we write about rate of interest is 6% given to us. If he gets 1200 as interest, means interest is also given as rupees 1200 at the time of maturity. From these given information, we have to find the monthly installment. So first part we can simply find by the formula for interest. This is P into n plus 1 into rate by 100 equal to interest is 1200. P we have to find n divided by 2 into 12. So n is 24. This will be 25 divided by 2 into 12 into rate of interest as 6 by 100. This will be cancel out here, and this will be also cancel out by 4. This also cancel out by 3 by 2, means principal value we can write from there 1200 into 2 divided by 3. This will be 400 from that value, and we will get rupees 800 as the monthly installment in this question, means the principal value which Mohan is depositing every month. So now the second part we have to find is the amount of maturity. So maturity value, we know this will be principal value into n plus the value of interest. Principal value we have find it as 800. N is equal to 24 here, plus interest value is 1200. We will just try on calculating here. So on calculating, this will be 19,200 plus 1200 rupees. This will be 00, and here this will be 40 and 1 carry. So 20,400 is the answer here in this question. Means this is the matured value, and this is the solution of question number 9 here. Let us solve your question number 10. Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 6455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of 14% per annum in a recurring deposit account. We have to find the monthly installment. So, firstly, from this given, this is the matured value in 1 year. So, from this matured value, we will find the interest, the value of interest, and from that interest, we will find the monthly installment. So, we can write matured value as, or from this formula only we can find the monthly installment P, because this is P into N plus interest. So matured value is 6,455. The value of N is 12 months. So this will be P into 12 plus interest. Interest is this interest we can find also, and we can write terms of P here also. So this will be interest will be P into n plus 1 13 divided by 2 into 12 divided by rate of interest is given, so this is 14 by 100. On solving, 12 will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out by 7, and we can write this part as 7 into 13. This will be 1, and 91 divided by 100p. So this will be p into 12 plus 91p divided by 100. On taking LCM, we will get 1200p plus 91p divided by 100 equal to 6455. So 6455 will be 1200 plus 91 means 1291p divided by 100. 6455 will be into 100 divided by 1291 as the value of amount. So here on calculating, this will be cancelled out by 5, and on 5 into 100 means rupees 500 is the monthly installment in this question. So this is the final answer in this question, and this is solution of question number 10. Let us solve your question number 11. Samita has a recurring deposit account in a bank of 2000 per month at the rate of 10% per annum. If she gets rupees 83,100 at the time of maturity, then find the total time for which the account was held. Means the value of n we have to find. So if we want to find the value of n, we will firstly write it in the formula MB as P into n plus interest. So interest we can find as P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Rate of interest is given here, and P is also given. So 2000 into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into 10 divided by 100. 0 here, this will be cancelled out, and this will be cancelled out by 100. This will be 6, and this will be 53 25. So we can write here 25 n plus 1 divided by 3 is the interest. So here we will put 2000 into 2000 n plus 25 by 3 n plus 1. On taking LCM, we will get here 6000 n plus 25 n square. We can write 25 n square plus 25 n divided by 3. On writing here, matured value is also given. We'll put the value 83,100 rupees. On adding 6,000 n plus 25 n, we will get here 25 n square plus 6,025 n divided by 3 equal to 83,100 rupees. Solving this here, we can write this is 25 n square plus 6025 n minus, on writing this will be 0 0 3 9 2 24. So this is 24 249 300 here. It is not clear, so 24 300. So on cancelling this part here, we will get 5. This will be 1205, then 49860. Again on cancelling this part, this will be 241, this will be 9972. So we can write in simplifying n square plus 241 n minus 9972 equal to 0. So we can write the values here. So 241 we can write n square plus 277 minus 36n minus 9972 equal to 0. And on taking common, this will be n plus 277 minus n, on taking common, this will be 36 or sorry, this is 36 also we are taking common, so this will be here 36 only. This is n plus 277 equal to 0. From that, taking factors here, this will be n is equal to on the n will be 36 and n is equal to minus 277. So this part is not possible here. Hence, we can write that uh, the value of period of time is 36 months here, and we know 36 months is equal to 3 years. Hence, this is the final answer. We have to find the period of time only in this question. So, this is the solution of question number 1, and this is the answer here. If you have any doubt and queries, you can ask us on comment box. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.